This person told me to meet him at these exact coordinates. I think I know what's over there. I'm on my way. We got a good 5 miles, boy.
I love the ocean, bro. Look at that bitch.
Holy. Woo! 3.3 miles to Wildcat Camp.
I think that's Dookie. Swimmable waters right here.
Sheesh.
Bro.
Oh, I would swim in that.
Huh?
Guys, I just found Nature Zone.
Fuck yeah.
Rasp.
Bruh!
Is this it?
Bro!
Is this it?
The tree cove we almost died trying to find.
This is the tree cove we've been looking for. Shortcut alert. At one point you see a mountain, then you see an ocean, then you see a lake, then you're in a forest. All right, guys, we just got spit out of the forest. I know we got to be close. The ocean's right there.
Ah! You already know the deal, bro. Is this people, bro?
Let's go, Laagen-Daz. Whoa. This is where life brought me today. I got a new friend. This is Ace.
Yeah.
Guys, this is crazy. I mean, look at this. This is real life, guys. I couldn't do it without you. Shout out to Ace. I couldn't do it without Ace today either. Tanacon. My boy said he's going for it. The gods of peace. What up?
Next time, we don't come. Hot day.
Who's gonna meet us here next time?